the Maharaja of Jodhpur, he built this dam. In 1947, the construction started till 1956. This was the man-made dam built by his own money. The vision to build this dam was to water supply from here to the Jodhpur, because Jodhpur was the driest state at that time. Jodhpur is about 175 kilometers from here. Okay, 175. This all water come from the Varawal range, which is higher side. Okay, so Varawal range, all water goes to a side dam, which is smaller than Jawai Dam, which is on the higher side. When that dam goes full, overflow of that dam, that flow from that river which is close to our farmland, that known as the Jawai River, from that all water merge here. You can see the white line on these rocks. That was the level of the water. And this dam is the biggest dam of Western Rajasthan. But now the Jodhpur have different source of water. Now this water supply for the irrigation for our district and also drinking water for our district. Okay. Now this water supply for the irrigation, so that's why the level is going down. Okay, which increase the shallow water, which attract birds. So I had recorded about 300 plus species of birds in this Jawai Dam area, and right now most attractive birds are here are bar-headed geese, so basically the Feb is a good time for the birding in Jawai. Okay, also this red-shelled duck. Third bird which is about to come is Sarus crane. Also flamingos, they also visit here. Yeah, greater flamingos. So the Feb, March and April is a good time to see birds in this area. And the hills you can see all around, these all are the leopard hills. So you guys went in this morning for the Lakshmi. The Lakshmi's area is that hill. I think the big boulders. Yeah, the big boulders place. Yes.